So this is the catalytic converter on the driver's side. As you can see, it's completely ripped. Now I know a lot of people who, especially the 5 Series, where they get rid of the catalytic converters and they go straight pipe. Now my option is A, replace the catalytic converter, or B, is I'm going to take out the sensor that you can see through right there, which is up here. I'm going to take that sensor out. I'm going to put a fouler in there. So basically it's going to stay up higher. It's not going to take that complete smoke head on, but it's going to get only some of that smoke head on. And that should manipulate the computer enough to say, all right, you're getting good reading. This is a 750 Li 2006. And basically I took the exhaust out because the previous owner had everything else missing. So it was only held by the 2 screws up here and in the back, and that's it. It had no support bracket, so it was pretty easy to remove it at that stage. But since since it was that easy, I decided to move it while we're doing the we just did the transmission pan and the seals on the valve body all the way around. I figure I might as well move it. It's going to be a lot easier to add oil right here, and I won't have to burn my fingers in left and right when I do add oil. So right now, before I add oil over here, I'm gonna take out the sensor. I already loosened it, so I'm gonna take off the sensor, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a fouler in there. So basically the sensor just it's hanging here. They're gonna pull it out of there. There we go. And then on top, the same thing. Maybe you guys can see this. And what you do is you basically... Okay, so we drilled the fouler 1/2 inch. Now we're going to put it back over here. Just hand tighten it, and we're gonna put the O2 sensor on the fouler. Maybe I should do the other way around. I barely have any room to put this in there, so I'm gonna put them in together like this. There's our O2 sensor. Now you can see that it's basically right there. That's shiny, and that should give us the fault to get away. We'll give it a shot and see what we do. Stay tuned.